Hey lovely, Sandraivyrose here. Do you want to know how to make a beautiful 3D wall art? Well, stay tuned and keep on watching. All right, let's get started. We're going to be using Dollar Tree wood plank. We're going to be needing 2 of them for this project. And we're going to start out by painting it the white color from Waverly. Don't mind the mess I'm making today. Anyway, how you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Thank you for stopping by my channel. After I finished painting it, I let it dry, and I did go ahead and painted the front and the back because I want this to be this piece to have a more finished look. And now I'm gonna paint the edges using this folk art paint color. It's like a white pearl, so you can have a nice shiny edge. Hey lovelies, well welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm so happy that you're here. On this channel, we are going to be making DIY projects, home decor, and beauty. So if you guys are into high-end looking projects but budget friendly, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will be making videos on a weekly basis. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Alright, so we're going to be using those wooden slats. I got those from Walmart, but Dollar Tree also have them available if you need those. And we're going to apply it to the wooden planks that we also got from Dollar Tree to create our design. And now I got those wooden chips, and I'll put the link in the description box down below. And the first design is going to be with those. And you can lay it down however you like, but I've come up with this design. And we're gonna hold it down with hot glue. But if you want, you could do you could use the wood glue as well to give it a more sturdy look. Okay, we're gonna put that one aside. And for our next design, we're gonna be using the Dollar Tree wooden tumbling blocks. And here I'm just creating my design on them. And then we're gonna be using the same process by hot gluing it down, or you could use wood glue if you choose. All right, we're moving on to the next design, and we're gonna be using these wooden half circle things. I'm gonna have the link in the description box down below, and you're just basically gluing it onto your wooden slat. You can create whatever design. I'm just sporadically putting it all over the slat, not in a particular uniform design. Okay. right, so we're gonna make another set of that design. Next, what I did was I took those outside and spray painted them different colors for the top part of our wooden plank. And here you'll see I'm just applying it onto the board to create the look and the design that I'm gonna need. And I'm just fixing it here. And once I finish doing that, I'm using the ruler to make sure they're aligned straight on the top and the bottom. And then I'm using my pencil just to draw it out so that after we hot glue it on, I'll be able to know exactly where to place it so that it's even. As you can see here, I'm starting out with the bottom part of the wooden planks, and I'm hot gluing. Hey lovelies, if you're enjoying my content, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up so you can watch my weekly videos. If you're new to my channel, well, welcome to the family. So happy that you're here. And all my returning subscribers, thank you always for watching my videos. And now I'm gonna be flipping them over, the top and bottom part, and hot gluing some tumbling blocks to secure it so that it doesn't fall apart. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. So this is the big reveal. Let me know what you guys think. I do think it came out beautiful. I have it hung on the wall, just like so. And of course, I staged it up a little bit. But you can make one of this piece, two of this piece, three of this piece, and like kind of line it up on your wall however you like. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. Please share it to your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this, and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And I'll see you guys on the next video.